I recently checked out showtaywork.com to see if it's a legit platform or just another scam, especially since they sell collectibles like Kamen Rider, SH Figuarts, Super Sentai, Power Rangers, and Ultraman figures. The website looks decent at first glance, but I noticed some red flags right away, like a lack of detailed company information and very few customer reviews outside their own site. I went through the ordering process, and while the prices seemed too good to be true, I decided to take the risk. The checkout was smooth, and I did receive a confirmation email, but the tracking information was either delayed or not working properly. After a long wait, my package finally arrived, but the quality wasn't exactly what I expected. It wasn't a total scam, but it also didn't feel like a premium purchase. The figure seemed legit, but not quite at the level of what you'd expect from an official retailer. Customer service was slow to respond, and I had a hard time getting clear answers about my order status. Overall, I wouldn't say showtaywork.com is outright fraudulent, but it's definitely a mixed experience. If you're looking for guaranteed authenticity and smooth service, you might want to be cautious before ordering and consider other more established websites instead.